behind, and we will turn around. So if you are facing that way, just check that you put the hips grounding deeply on the floor, and we spread the spine nice and long. Yeah? Now the legs could be or crossing, or we can put the sole of your feet together with the knees open, and you put your blocks beneath your thighs. Yeah? Or we can have the legs bending or the legs extending. Yeah? So check what is better for your lower back. Yeah? Good. Now, take a moment to ground your hips on the floor, and then spread your spine over the bolster, yeah? And lengthen the back of the neck. Well done. Yeah, so if you feel that it's not comfortable on the lower back, Valerie, let me know, I can put the block, yeah? Relax your shoulder blades, and imagine that your back is now adapting to the shape of the bolster. Relax your arms, yeah? So take a moment just to adapt to the bolster, yeah? The physical body adapting to the shape of the bolster. Yeah? Lengthen, yeah? So as you relax more, you can check that you can lengthen more your body, your spine, your shoulder blades, the back of the neck. And then start to soften deeply. So still we have this image of the roots beneath you, the bolster as a connector with the energy of the planet. And we will do a quick, as you relax, yeah, we will do a quick going through the chakras with the lights, yeah, just as we relax here. Imagine that now from the roots you will start to receive a beautiful red light, beautiful vibrant red light that is going into your hips now, toward the base of your spine and your perineal area, yeah, your pelvic floor. And imagine the red light moving through that area. Yes, just imagine the red light entering there. Remember, the red light is the first chakra, is our physical needs being provided. It's also the chakra of the health. Yeah? So you can imagine the red light working there. You can imagine like a ball of fire, of red light, or a circle moving, yeah, like a ball of energy moving there. Yeah? And you leave it there. You set that ball there in motion, and imagine that light working on that area to cleanse, to balance all that area on the physical aspect and on the emotional aspect as well. And it's open like a channel so the energy can move more freely. Then we will imagine receiving now from the roots, from the planet, an orange light that will go into your lower back, your hips, your belly, your spine. And that orange light, vibrant orange light, is working through that area to, again, release the physical tension or stress or pains that you can have there. And on the emotional aspect, is working through your emotional body, dissolving all the emotions and feelings that could be bothering you. And again, you leave that ball of orange light there working for you. You still have the red light working on the pelvic floor. You have the orange light on your belly, lower back, and hips. And now we will focus on the solar plexus. the middle back, solar plexus, your waist, the base of your rib cage, all the organs there. And we will use the yellow light that is, again, imagine that is coming from the planet, and during the day is coming from the sun. So imagine a beautiful yellow light, yellow ball of fire or light working there on the solar plexus, opening the area to receive all the energy that you need. And to unblock, that center is the center of the energy of the body. So when we have this area unblocked, we can use all the energy that we need, we can feel energetic, and also it's the center of the self-esteem and self-worth. So it's a beautiful area to have nice and open and strong. And then we will go into the heart center. So chest, rib cage, lungs, your upper back. And this area is the center of the loving energy of ourselves. And we can use the pink light or the green light. Again, imagine a beautiful ball of green or pink or both moving into your heart to unblock the area to receive and to give love freely. And also on the physical aspect to release any tension, any pain that we can have in that area. Then remember we have the throat center on the neck, on the top of your shoulders. That's the turquoise light, the blue, the light blue. Imagine receiving a beautiful light blue into your neck, into your shoulders, into your throat. Unblocking, balancing that center, that is a center of how we express ourselves, not only through your word, through your actions. And then we go with the indigo color or the royal blue color into your face, into the forehead, between your eyebrows. And we work in all like the head. This light, and this is a light that we connect with our intuition and our wisdom. Imagine that light moving there and blocking the communication with your own wisdom, that we trust in our intuition and our wisdom and our knowledge. And then finally we go to the crown of your head to visualize a beautiful violet light, bathing yourself from the crown of your head. And imagine this light is bathing also all the other chakras. So imagine like a shower of violet light around you and inside you, passing through all the line of the chakras. Violet is the cleansing, the powerful cleansing action. So you are unblocking really powerfully all the chakra system. So you can have a beautiful flow of energy all the time moving through the different areas. Enjoying that power, enjoying that flow of energy always available for you. And then if you like, you can imagine all the colors of the chakras working in each area. And then even you can imagine with all the chakras, all the colors forming like a rainbow. Actually, the colors of the chakras are the color of the rainbow. So imagine that you connect all the colors, all the chakras, forming a beautiful rainbow. Moving through your body, through yourself, and blocking, balancing recharging, regenerating, transforming the whole energy of yourself for the better. And just enjoy a few breaths more. Imagine all those lights working there for you. And then in your next breath in, start to bring your awareness back to your physical body. We can move your fingers and your toes. We can move the head side to side. If you have the legs bending or opening, you can stretch your legs. And then maybe we can expand your arms. A nice soft stretch. And then from there we will roll toward one side and we will move, bending your legs and making like a little pillow with your body there. With your arms like a pillow for your head, and you relax there on the side. And then really softly, we will go to a sitting position. We will take the bolster out and we will use